All right, it's been raining off and on in different parts of the area.
It's been an odd day because remember we came from all the sunshine. It just
Right.
seems like every couple of days recently we go from one to the other. I think coming up we stay with a lot of sunshine and heat. It's just today's the bump in the road, if you will. So
Right.
let's get into what's happening outside. We are watching these rounds of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, but this is mostly stable air so far, meaning this is plain rain. A few light showers over our eastern counties right now, York, Lancaster, but this is the steadiest stuff right now. So again, right along the 81 corridor, so we're going to zoom in the northern tier of this, again heading up 1115 too. It is affecting the ridges and valleys. Again, some rain with this. I actually saw a little bit of sunshine here in Harrisburg just about 10-15 minutes ago, so there are breaks in the clouds, and that may be leading to a little bit more energy for this storm here or shower right over South Mountain heading to the northeast, so we're tracking that. But the biggest wild card in this forecast, this area of rain is moving out, and then notice the clearing here, and there is some dry air and breaks in the clouds coming. When we see this from outer space, notice the big spin here happening in the atmosphere. So we're getting this wraparound from the west, and that's allowing for a little bit of dry air and some of the breaks in the clouds. That's key for this afternoon's forecast. It doesn't look all that great right now, the blue and gray grill, but only a couple of hours of sunshine may lead to more storms this afternoon. The same thing goes for Millersville. A lot of dark, low clouds right now, but we'll see what happens here over the coming hours. It is actually 75 degrees, so we got all this warm air coming in from the southwest earlier today. It's making an impact. With a little bit of sunshine, we could see numbers get close to 80 today in a few spots. Again, we are watching for that energy. The Storm Prediction Center essentially highlighting the mid-state here for a slight risk of severe weather. What does that mean? Well, after 2 o'clock today, if we see that clearing, some strong cells could pop up. And we see that here on Precision Cast, that a couple of cells right there in northern Dauphin County, northern Lancaster County, that may not be where it sets up, but this is just the idea that we're talking about. If strong storms do form, we may see some damaging winds, some higher downpours, heavier downpours, I should say, or maybe even a brief tornado warning or two. And that's what we have to keep tabs on later today. In terms of rainfall amounts, the models have been bouncing around with that, but locally heavy rain still possible today. Again, we're seeing this draw of moisture coming up from the southwest. That will influence things. So today, as I mentioned, the bump in the road day, because look what happens after this. 85 for tomorrow, more clearing and some sunshine for the second half of the day. Maybe a pop-up storm, but the chances are lower than today. And then all this sunshine, dry weather through the weekend, James, but it comes with a caveat. A lot of heat and even humidity at times, which I know you are a huge fan of, and I think a lot of people at home are waiting for summer to kind of open up.
Right.
This is it as we move into early July. This is going to be the real stuff.
So we get through the cooler weather and the rain today,
Right.
and then we
All of a sudden,
turn on the gas and get the heat coming in.
exactly. I like the way you put that. Just turn on the gas, get it going.
Let's do it. All right, let's check back.